how to make money online with no money and no experience needed. Stick with me until the end of this video. Hello everyone, what's going on? This is Irfan here. Welcome to another video. I'm back after 5 freaking months. I know it's been a long time, but believe me, I had my own reason not to record anymore, but I'm glad that I'm back. I didn't want to delay it more than that, so I decided to start this video after so long with this topic, which is how to make money online with no money and no experience needed. It's super easy. You just need to stick with me until the end of this video to know how to get us started with this easy process. So there is a potential that you can do over $100 a day. It's not guaranteed, but there is a potential in it that you can implement this method and make $100, or it can be more than that even, because this is 100% free. You don't need any website, you don't need to spend a dime on advertising, and also it's perfect for beginners. So if you decided to begin your online business, I think that this is the best method that you can start off with. And as I said, it's free. You don't have to do anything, and it only takes a little bit of time per day, so you don't have to spend thousands of hours per week to get it done. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos, guys. I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to delay that much again. So this is because I'm going to upload videos every single week for 2 times or 3 times a week. And the only thing you need to do is just subscribe to my channel right now and tap on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video you can get notified first. So, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you that how you can scale that type of business too, in order to get more results in the long term. So as I said, make sure to watch the video thoroughly, because I'm gonna point out some important things that you need to know in order to get better at this business. Okay, so let's get into it without any further ado. So I'm gonna show you that how you can get it done with a video such as this video that I'm gonna play right now, which is super simple. You don't even have to show your face on camera, you don't have to record your voice, you don't have to do any of this stuff. You just need to have such a video that I'm showing you right here. So there's a lady doing yoga on top of the hill. So it's just a very simple sample that I can show you, and after that I'm going to show you that how you can use this video in order to get more traffic and at the end get more sales. Okay, let's get into it without any more delay. So this process includes 4 steps. So it's a 4-step process, and the first step is find a product you can make money from. So let me show you that how you can find the desired product. So the first place that you might be aware of is called clickbank.com. So clickbank.com, most of you probably know it, you know what it is. So the only thing you need to do is just sign up here, and then you create your account, super easy, and then after that you log in to your account. That I'm gonna do it really quickly. Okay, so after logging into your account, you will see such a page as this one. So and there are so many topics and categories on the left side that you can choose. So for example, in this video I'm gonna go for health and fitness, which is in this part. If you click on it, you will see all the products that you can promote in this page. There are tons of products, guys, and I personally used to promote this one here, custom keto diet. It was kind of successful. I had a few sales here and there because I had a fitness website. Now I shut it down because I'm gonna get into in different aspects, so I don't have that website anymore. But I used to promote custom keto diet and Leptitox. These 2 products were my favorite products, but you can go for any of them in this page or the other pages. There are tens of thousands of pages, but in the first page these are the most popular ones. So I have a separate video for ClickBank, guys. Don't forget to check it out because I want to show you how you can use this website, and I'm gonna I have a tutorial that what every like item means in this page, such as gravity, like the affiliate page, what they have, what they don't. Make sure to check out that video as well. But how can we do that? So you just go to this website, clickbank.com, you sign up. After that, you go to health and fitness or whatever topic that you're interested in. Or if you're interested in health and fitness, there's also another website called markethealth.com. This is exactly the same as ClickBank, but they only have health and supplement products that you can join their affiliate program and start promoting their offers. So these are the two websites that you can use. So for example, for this one, we can go for like this one, custom keto diet that I showed you, and then you click on promote, and then you see such a page. For example, you put your account nickname here, and then you generate hop links. So this is the link that you need in order to generate sales and commission, because if someone buys this product through this link, you will get commission, and the commission for this type of product is $46 per conversion, which is almost almost, and the gravity for this one is 420. So it means that 420 people made money in the last 30 days. So this is a huge amount of money. So if you generate hop links, you will get this link here. So you copy that here, you minimize it, you keep it somewhere, and then, or in Market Health, I mean, there's no difference. And the next step that we want to have is find and use Linktree, guys. It's very, very important. It's very cool, because we're going to use Pinterest for this type of method, but Pinterest most of the time it doesn't allow you to put affiliate links on their website. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. That's why we use Linktree in order to get it safer. So if I go to Linktree right here, and then I can you can sign up for free. There's a paid plan and a free plan. You can literally use the free plan, and there are tons of options for that. But I already got my account, so I just want to sign in, and then I show you how I can do that. Okay guys, right now I'm in my dashboard in Linktree, which is linktr.ee, and then here in this section you can add new link. So if you click on add new link, you see that we have title and also the URL. So the URL is the hop link that we already copied. So we just need to paste it here, and for the title we can say that custom keto diet plan, and this is how it's done. It's over. So see, the sample is here, custom keto diet plan. It's your Linktree page, and this is my ID here, and I can add more links, so you can add more products here. So you can have you can generate more sales for different products. So let's say we're gonna stick with one sample in this video, custom keto diet plan. So I'm gonna delete this one, and then I'm gonna keep this one. That's it. You just sign up for free, linktr.ee, and then you create your account, and then you just need to paste that hop link in this section. So the next step that we are going to go over is find high quality and usable videos, such as the one that I showed you earlier. So the place that you want to that you can go for and find a high quality video is called pexels.com. And there's millions of videos for different topics and categories on this website that you can use. So for example, for this one, we can search for fitness, and then in this section you can go for videos. You see that there are millions of videos that you never run out of, and you can use it for different products. See, this is the sample that I chose for you. So for example, we're gonna go for this one, and you download it. You download the video, and you just put it on your desktop, and then you're good to go. So once you download your favorite video or whatever you want, you have the video. But after finding the video, what do we need to do? So the next step, which is the last step, is use a good traffic source which is the main reason that we are here right now, because we already found the product, we already created the Linktree account, we already found a high quality video, but the last step is using a good traffic source, which is Pinterest for here. So Pinterest, super easy to sign up, guys. I've already done it. It's a brand new page that I've created for this tutorial, and after it's a business page, so we can do the personal on the business one, doesn't matter. But what we need to do is just we need to go to create and then create pin. Here we just drag and drop our video, which is this one. We open it. This is the video that we just downloaded. We put it here, and then for the title, we can say that I know I'm not gonna go for the best copy here, but brand new custom keto diet, proven, something like this. You definitely do better than me, but this is a topic because it's kind of, it should be relevant to the product that you're promoting, which is custom keto diet. So brand new custom keto diet or whatever you want, and then here this is a description up to 500 words. You can say that this proven keto diet helps you to lose way more fat, and it also helps you to improve your immune system, and blah blah, etc. You can just go on for 500 words. Just tell, you just say about your product that you are promoting. That's it. And you need to have a good copy because it's gonna to be eye-catching. Both video and the topic and the title, both of them should be eye-catching. So tags, very important, guys. So the tags are kind of the keywords. So like fitness and exercise. We can go for workout if they have one. Yeah, workout videos. We can go for diet. So there's no tag for this one. Running. Sport running for beginners, running motivation, running. Tags are keywords. So it depends on the product that you're promoting, and based on that you put your tags here, keywords here. So the destination link is the most important part that you're making money from. So, and it can be this one. So my link tree, this is the one that we just created right now. I just need to copy this link address. I've already created my link tree, so you can, as I said, there can be multiple links in this section, but I'm gonna stick with one only for this purpose, for this tutorial, custom keto diet plan. So I copy my link, and then I go over Pinterest again, and then I paste it here. So this is what it is, and then after that, boom, publish, and then you go for it. So that's all you need to do. But guys, if you want to get really successful with it, you just need to be consistent. You just need to keep uploading, keep posting, keep uploading, every single day. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you that how you can scale it so you can actually do everything much faster. But the key is consistency. So you need to keep uploading, keep posting, and keep repeating the other people's pins to get more followers and get more traffic. So of course you can use different websites for stock videos such as this one to become more attractive, or you can get more creative with it. It takes a little bit of practice, but you get a hang of it. So there's no worry about it. Super easy. Linktree is gonna do everything for you. So I've already done everything, guys, but I'm gonna show you that how you can scale it. So there's a website called tailwindapp.com. So this is the website that kind of automates everything for you. So if you sign up with Pinterest, so they can so you schedule the tasks such as repeating the other people's products, the other people's pins on your page. So and it does it automatically. So you don't have to be on the computer 24/7 and repeat other people's pins on your page. Tailwind is going to do everything for you. So I mean, there's a free trial and also a paid plan for that, but it's not that expensive. It's totally worth it if you want to get more serious with this type of business. So it does everything automatically. It repins it, and also it can repins every type of item that you want, depending on your niche, like fitness, business, whatever. You just need to go because I've deleted my account, so I don't have any account to show you how you can get into it and how you can do it step by step, but it's super easy, trust me guys. But if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Drop a comment below this video, and then I get back to you as soon as possible. So that's it guys, that's it for this tutorial. It's super easy. You find your product, you create a Linktree account, and then after that you just need to create a Pinterest account, copy and paste everything there, and you're good to go. But don't forget, consistency is the key. So if you want to learn more about all this kind of stuff, like for affiliate marketing or any type of marketing that you're interested in, so I gathered around the course, which you can find the link down below this video. Guys, there is a huge discount on this course right now for a limited time offer. It's for a limited time, and I don't want you to miss out on this one. So since you're watching this video, it's probably still on. Go check it out. It's a full affiliate marketing course that I've gathered around over the course of 3 years, because I was learning from the other people, so I tried to gather around whatever I learned and provide it to you guys. But the discount is so huge. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep up with it, but go check it out. Let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to drop a comment below this video, and then I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.